Greetings everyone, this is Euro, Lab Manager at PC, discussing the arrival and unboxing of our new Netzsch TGA 209 F1 Nevio with the Kinetics Neo software. I'd like to thank Dr. Tony Thermitis at Netzsch for the opportunity to getting us to partner with Netzsch and to purchase this fine instrument. TGA studies the mass of a specimen as a function of time. Things that you typically look for are onset decomposition, thermal stability under isothermal conditions, filler content, or even low molecular weight polymer. I'll talk about the results from the data from the last run we just did. So on the screen, this is the TGA plot. We have 4 mass loss events. 2 of them are from a polymer blend setup, and then the other 2 above 25 minutes or so are 2 different inorganic fillers that we found. And then the residual mass is a little bit of a leftover of another filler system in this. The second plot we're looking at in the dashed green curve is the DTG, or the differential thermogram. Right now we're looking at the derivative of the previous curve, and it helps me identify where the thermal events are actually happening by looking at the tangent of the zero slope of the derivative curve. So I can see I have 4 thermal events. Now with looking at both curves overlaid and looking at the thermal events at where each component is decomposing, it helps me confirm and identify what may be present in the sample, as well as with other techniques that we've done in-house, DSC, FTIR. It's helping me also quantify how much is present in the sample due to now having weight measurements for the test.
Please call us or visit our website at the link in our description.